Hey Maria, I went to bio class last week and we learned about photosynthesis. It was really interesting. Do you know what it is?
Yes, isn't that how plants get their food?
Essentially, yes. It's the process of how plants convert CO2 and water into glucose and oxygen. It takes place in the plant's chloroplast. It absorbs energy and converts it to chemical energy.
Wow, I had no idea that's where it all happened. Do any other reactions happen within photosynthesis?
Yes, photosynthesis is a two-part process. Light-dependent reactions and light-independent reactions are part of it.
I've heard of light-dependent reactions, but I don't know much about the light-independent reactions.
The light-independent reactions do not require light in order to function, and they produce sugar. It is also known as the Calvin cycle.
That's so interesting.
I don't really know much about the light-dependent reactions. Could you tell me more about them?
Yeah, sure. The light-dependent reactions happen in the thylakoid membrane and bring in H2O and light energy.
Oh wow, I did not know that. Is there more to the light-dependent reactions?
There's two routes for the electron flow, non-cyclic and cyclic. The non-cyclic route makes O2, ATP, and NADPH during photophosphorylation. The cyclic photophosphorylation makes ATP.
Is this where the whole photosystem thing comes in?
Yes, do you know what photosystems are?
No, what are they?
Photosystems are protein complexes embedded in the cellular membrane. There are two, photosystem 1 and photosystem 2. The numbers in the photosystems are kind of misleading because 2 comes before 1.
That's so funny!
I know, but it all makes sense in how photosystem 2 excites the electrons and brings them to a higher state to pass them to the ETC to pass them to photosystem 1.
Does anything happen to the electron because it is excited?
Yes, the water molecules present split to supply electrons to photosystem 1 to produce O2 as a byproduct.
Oh, I should probably review this before my exam. I'll see you later. Bye!
Hey Victoria, how's it going?
Hey Sumi, I'm alright. I have a biology test coming up, so I'm stressed.
What's it on? Do you need help?
If you could, that would be great. I just don't understand photosystem 1.
I can help. Photosystem 1 is where light is used to once again excite the electrons to enter the ETC and aid in reduction of NADP plus and NADPH.
So photosystem 1 only produces NADPH?
No, it also produces ATP to be used in the Calvin cycle through cyclic phosphorylation during photosynthesis through the proton gradient.
OMG, I know all about the Calvin cycle. The Calvin cycle is when CO2 comes in and bonds to RUBP chain, which consists of 5 carbons to form a 6-carbon chain and then splits into 2 molecules of 3 carbons each.
But wait, where's the ATP from photosystem 1?
Don't worry, girl, the ATP is being used through this whole process to produce 1 carbon for sugar.
Oh, that's so cool. I didn't know that.
Yeah, and did you know that certain plants go through this process at night than during the day because it conserves valuable energy?
Oh, really? I had no idea. Thank you for that information.
No problem. You learn something every day. I learned so much about plants today that I didn't know before. Thank you.